All right guys, good morning, happy Friday, hope all is well. So today this is what we've got going on in the shop. I know things are a little slow, things are a little rough, but still got to keep these trucks maintained. So we're going to do a quick oil change on a PACCAR MX-13, very easy to do. We have a DD15 with an engine that was seized up, so we sent the block out to get repaired, ordering some parts and going from there. Here we have a 14-liter Series 60. This is a 2008-2009. Let me go show you the truck, or the actual engine itself. We took the engine out. Let me show you what we got going. All right guys, so take a look. Here is the 14-liter Series 60 engine that's out. This one actually had a liner that was leaking coolant into the oil, spun a bearing, and actually messed up the crank. So this entire engine is coming out. Well, it's already out actually. Waiting on the customer if they're going to go ahead and either rebuild it, or they're going to go ahead and just swap it out with a used one. That's up to them. I don't know what they're going to do, but let's keep moving along and show you what else we have going on here. All right guys, and as I mentioned, we're doing a few things around the shop. Showed you what's going on. Now we do need to take care of our own personal truck. Now this is our F-250 2001, and I believe I have a bad injector, so I'm gonna go ahead and have to go a little old school on this. It's a 7.3 Power Stroke, which is very much the same thing as a DT444E. So you guys that are familiar with it, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. The fun thing is I haven't worked on one of these in years, so yeah, this is good stuff. So we're gonna take this thing apart. Got my tools, got our music, got some tools here. I gotta organize this a little bit better. This is a little embarrassing if you ask me. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and pull this valve cover off. We're gonna verify that we have either a bad injector on the driver's side or on the passenger side. Either way, we're gonna take this thing apart and we're gonna find out what the hell's going on so this thing can run like a champ the way it should. And that's pretty much it. I'm trying to think of anything else we have going on. Like I said, I know we've got oil change finishing up here, engine block, and then we're gonna wait for parts there, and then over there we're waiting for authorization, and that's that 14-liter. I do have our own personal truck, another pickup truck. This is a 2006-2007 F-250 Super Duty. It's got the 6.0, that's right there. That one's gonna be due for an oil change pretty soon, and then if I'm not mistaken, we're actually gonna be thinking about selling it. Just gotta, you know, make her look pretty, do an oil change, like I said, maintain it, and then get her ready for sale. So I'm not sure about that one yet, but for now we're using that truck while we fix the other one. So like I said guys, even though it might be a little slow, there's always things to do. Oh, and then last but not least, we're gonna swap out some of these airlines that go from tractor to trailer. This is a 3-in-1. I've showed you guys this in a different video, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get this going.